Hi, good evening everyone. I am Suresh Kumar from Andhra Pradesh Target Ball Association. I would like to say about target ball game. It is a very fastest game, interesting game and less injurious game. It is birth at India in UP Mathura. This game introduced by Mr. Shonu Sharma. He was a MPhil student at Sri Babaji Saraswati Vidya Niketan. He was completed MPhil there. He was invent the game. This game will play in small court. It is a 30 meters by 20 meters. 30 meters length, width is a 20 meters. This is very simple game. Any being a sportsman can be played. This game have in the court two half courts. One half court, two diamonds and the two foals is there, and another side two diamond zones, two foals. It is a playing court. You can see the game also scrolling on TV. You can check the game. How the players are playing the game. What is the duties of a diamond. How the diamond check the ball. What is the fouls. What is the court, everything is there. There is the diamond zone is here. You can shoot, anyone can shoot from here to get 1 point. And after that we get some penalty line is there. Penalty line here. Penalty line. You can shoot, that's a free shot. That is called 2 point. Anyone is converted that point, it is 2. After that there is a one dotted lines is there. Anyone can shoot from there. It is he may get 3 points. Like they divide the score also by depending on the points, declare the referees winner or loser. This game played minimum 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes. The finals will played 25 minutes in men's section, 25, 5, 25. Like that time is dividing. In the court, the officials, the organizers conducting the match, minimum 7 members is there. The final match will conduct in a national level, minimum 7 referees in the court. 4 referees in the 4 foals is there. Each foal one referee. One middle referee is the main court referee, and the 2 referees is one is the table official timekeeper, one is the scorer. Like that they play 7 referees in the court. They maintain, organize the matches. And we have the team have 2 timeouts. First half 1 timeout, second half 1 timeout. Like that they divide the game. The game has shortly included in SGFI 2015 School Games of Federation. Included the running process started in 2015. Still now it is continuing the school games. The number of teams are participating in SGFI tournament in the states. And recently 2018 include all India universities. It is also successfully organizing the AIU championships. And last 2018 and 2019 also gone. Maybe conduct recent 2020 also will reaching that tournament championship AIU. And the federation is conducting take a lot interest and to conduct the making a number of referees clinics. You can see in the TV, the referees training is going on, the referee shows is there, the referees group is there. The federation is making a number of new implementations, new rules for the developments. And even the India team is participating in the international standard teams tournaments. The tournaments are participating in the other countries, then the 4 or 5 countries are participating like Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. Like these countries are participating at the international tournaments. India is achieving number of championships, tournaments. And all this work efforted to the Sonu Sharma, and he planned to develop more all over the country in this shortly. And we request our government to kindly include our game as a Indian target ball, Bharatiya target ball, include it in Olympic Association to provide increase the players. The game will going to develop with help of the government. The number of games getting benefit from the government encouraging number of the games. Like the one of the our game also kindly include that, because the game spread all over in India. In the nationals, there all over Indian state teams participate in the nationals, minimum 28 teams in boys section and girls sections. Moreover, in all states having minimum 8 to 10 districts, game is promoting in their states. In this connection, I request state government, our Indian government and Olympic Association kindly give a opportunity to develop the game as a Indian government, Indian game. Kindly help to us to Bharatiya Target Ball Association. He is a dedicated worker. Sonu Sharma has awarded by the government. He got Ambedkar award also. Like that, he was a hard worker for he working about our target ball game. I request once again our government to increase, include, give help to us to develop the game. Thank you one and all. Thank you, sir.